In this video I will show you how to use my latest template for After Effects. So first thing you want to do after you download the template is open this After Effects file. And this is the main file, but if you are using older versions of After Effects, for example version 22 or 23, you can also open one of these. But for the purpose of this video I will just go with this one. So here I already have it opened, and this is how it looks when it's pre-animated. So first thing you would want to do is change the logo. Of course you want to put your own logo here, so let me show you how to do this. So keep this open in After Effects and go back to the folder, and here you will see the footage folder, and go to the logo layers, and here just open this logo file in Illustrator. And this is how it basically looks when you open the file. Go on the first layer, do not touch the second one. You can also see it's locked, and here you can just hide this one and place your own. I already have another logo to showcase. So after you place your own logo, make sure to keep this in inside of this bounds. So after you did this, just go file, save, and you can see that everything is automatically updated. You also get a 3D logo effect here, and everything is pre-animated. So as you can see, it's very simple. Just change the logo in Illustrator, and that's it. You can close the Illustrator now. So let me show you what other options. This is also an option. If you want to change, let's say, this image, you can put your own custom background. You can put image of a person, like I did here. So if you want to change this one, just go and make sure to select the first layer here on the timeline. And with this layer you control basically everything. You control the colors, and you can control this image. So after you click the controller, you open up the effects controls. If you don't have the effects controls open, go to view, window, and make sure the effect control is selected. And from this panel you basically control everything. So this is the image select for this image. As you can see right now on the drop down menu, it's selected as the default image. So if you want to place your own custom image, just select the bottom one. And now what you want to do to import your image is go back to the folder, and you have to go to the people layers. So basically these two folders you edit. This one obviously you do not, as it's written here. So people layers, and open this Photoshop file. And here is how it looks when you open. This is basically the first layer is the one that I imported, and the one on the bottom is where you import your own. So double click on this tiny square here, and here you can delete or hide this layer. It doesn't really matter, just make sure it's not visible. So now in this artboard you need to drag your own image, whatever it is. You can put like custom background, you can put an image of another person, whatever you think fits for your project. So basically, let's say something like this. Go and just close, save, and make sure you save this one as well. And basically that's it. It's updated. And if you want to change the position, you can edit here. Again, just go again in this layer, move it a bit up, save, save, and that's it. It doesn't have to be an image of a person. This is just to showcase what can you do. You can also put some kind of background, your custom design here. It doesn't really matter. So basically you edit it like a mockup or something like this. So as you can see, it's very simple. That's pretty much it. The next important thing is, of course, the colors. So go back to the controller, and here you have the two main colors. So for the first one, let's say we put something like some kind of orange here, and you can see the colors are updated. So for the second color, I suggest you just use this color whip, select this color, and just slide the slider to create a lighter variation of this color. And this is how you get the whole colors to update. And basically this is pretty much it. You get like a app icon mockup, like 3D rotating icon, and pretty much it. So one more thing is that you can change is the text. So just click letter T on your keyboard, or go to the Control T and click on this text, and you can import your own text. And here you should have the font selections and font weight, font size, whatever you want to change about this text to make it your own and custom. And same for the text down below. You can also change the text on this mockup. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just, when you're done, you just make sure everything works correctly. As you can see, everything is pre-animated, and you can you are ready to upload to social media. You get like a nice animated logo presentation without designing your own layout, without animating it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And now I will show you how to export it and which format to use. So to export the video, you need to go to File, Export, and Add to Render Queue. And here, let me make this bigger. So here you make sure to select the output model. So here you leave the format for H.264 and go to the format options to select a little lower bitrate. So 3.5 is the perfect for Instagram. And that's pretty much it. Here you just select where you want to save. Let's say you want to save here. Name your own file, click save, and render. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You have a video ready for upload to social media. So as you can see, here is the video. Yes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, you can reach out on my Instagram profile. Bye.